What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Weatherford Genius tutorial. My name is Enrique, and today I'm going to be showing you how to pair your garage door opener to your mirror link located just under your rearview mirror. So there's actually 3 buttons under your mirror to choose from. There's 1, 2, and 3 in case you have multiple garages or gates that you need to access. So all you need to do is press and hold the button that you'd like to pair it to. You'll see a light flash. Once the light is flashing, you can get your garage door opener remote. Press and hold the button that you'd like to pair that to up to the mirror, and then the light will turn green. Once it turns green, it should be paired to the garage. If you find that it isn't opening your garage, you might need to go inside and get to your garage door opener box. On the box, there's going to be a button called the Learn button. If you press that, come back to the car, press the button again, it'll successfully open and close. You can also remove any paired devices to the buttons. To do so, all you need to do is hold down the 1 and 3 key at the same time for about 20 seconds. Once that's done, you'll get a flashing of the lights to let you know that they all have been removed. Alright you guys, that's been another tutorial. If you have any questions at all, please leave a comment down below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, stay tuned for more Genius tutorials coming soon.